sound when across your mind when you're thinking about us on a Friday night. Oh, black tie burning, spinning the tires. Oh, slow dancing to a vinyl record, to a mixtape, a cover band playing on Broadway. Is it quiet in the background? Is it turned up loud? Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Sitting up high looking out on the city, me and you melting down something ice cold. While we're heating it up, is it a little John Strait or a little more Tim McGraw? Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. When you think about me and you falling in love like we are right now. How does it sound if we do something crazy? Ditch the crowd, get all alone, baby. Make some noise, make a soundtrack. Close your eyes, girl, do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Sitting up high looking out on the city, me and you melting down something ice cold. While we're heating it up, is it a little John Strait or a little more Tim McGraw? Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. When you think about me and you falling in love like we are right now. How does it sound? And I was singing along. How does it sound? Go on ahead, play on all night long. Do you hear that rain on the roof of an F-150? Sitting up high looking out on the city, me and you melting down something ice cold. While we're heating it up, is it a little John Strait or a little more Tim McGraw? Don't matter to me, girl, I like it all. When you think about me and you falling in love like we are right now. How does it sound? How does it sound? How does it sound? How does it sound? How does it sound, y'all? Thank you.